Is it really possible to make your hair grow long in just 10 days? It greatly accelerates the growth of our wires and gives birth to new wires, much thicker and fuller. And it doesn't stop there, it will also make your hair full of life and very shiny. Olive oil stimulates hair growth with its regenerative properties. It will help your strands get stronger, aiding in healthy growth without hair breakage. In addition to making your hair stronger and less brittle, thanks to vitamin E present in olive oil. Now let's add a very full tablespoon of rosemary. The astringent action of rosemary promotes capillary irrigation in the scalp, which stimulates the natural growth of the hair. After adding the rosemary, we are now going to put a very full tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon in hair is amazing for making the strands stronger, protecting against hair loss, renewing the health of the scalp and even accelerating hair growth. It is able to act against free radicals, which prevents premature aging and weakening of capillary flowers. Now, just cover it and shake well for about 10 minutes. After that time, let your oil tan in a dark place for at least 24 hours. All the juice and vitamins from these ingredients are now concentrated in this oil. This oil can be kept in the fridge for up to 2 months, and out of the fridge for a month. Now just cover and use whenever you want. This oil replenishes vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids in the scalp, removes dead cells, treats all types of hair fungi that prevent hair from growing, fights breakage, in addition to giving birth to new healthy and thicker wires.